Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study the isoterpenoids. On the previous turn, I have told you that what is terpenes, what is terpenoids, and I have also told you the Otto Wallis isoprene rule. Otto Wallis got Nobel Prize in the year 1910 on this study. According to his study, the basic component of terpenoid is isoprene. The isoprene rule has been deduced from the following facts. Number one, the empirical formula of all the naturally occurring terpenoids is C5H8. Next, on the thermal decomposition of all terpenoids, one of the product is isoprene, that is C5H8. Special isoprene rule. This special isoprene rule is proposed by Ingold in 1925. According to it shows how isoprene units are joined in the terpenoid molecules or linked together. For this purpose, the branch end of this area is called head and the other end is considered as tail. This area is called as head, this area is called as tail, and according to this rule, in terpenoids, isoprene are joined by head to tail. This is the most common method of linking, and thus we can draw this diagram. This is head, this is tail, this is again head, this is tail. We can write it IP. This way we can write it IP. There is also one method of linking isoprene units, that is tail to tail junction, and this type of junction is found in tri and tetraterpene molecules. Example, squalene. It is one of the important molecules in the sterol biosynthesis. It is one of the important biomolecules in the sterol biosynthesis. And we can write it IP, PI. This is tail to tail junction. There is another rule. This is biogenetic rule. Next, we can go to biogenic rule. Biogenic or biogenetic rule, which was proposed, developed by Ruzicka, Leopold Ruzicka. In 1939, he got the Nobel Prize for his discovery, according to which all the terpenoids are derived from hypothetical precursor. He named it as active isoprene. Later on, Fyodor Lenin in 1961 identified as isopentenyl pyrophosphate. He identified active isoprene is isopentenyl pyrophosphate. We can write it as IPP. The key precursor for this IPP was shown by Fokker. The key precursor for this IPP was mevalonic acid, and it is shown by Fokker in 1956. If active isoprene, we can write it in this fashion. This is isoprene. We can write isoprene in this fashion. Next term, we will study the functions of terpenoids. Thank you.